Here's how you can add your business location on Snapchat in minutes. For this, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open your Snapchat profile page. On your profile page, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the Privacy Controls section. Under Privacy Controls, tap on the See My Location option. This will open Snapchat's location settings page. Look below and tap on Suggest a Place. Snapchat currently does not provide a direct option to create a business listing, but you can suggest your business location here. First, type your business name carefully. Then use the map below to pin the location that matches your actual business location. After that, select the appropriate business category. Additionally, you can add your business hours, website, phone number, and any photos. After filling in all the details, tap on Submit. Snapchat will review and update the suggested place. And that's it.